Hi guys, and welcome back to another one. Guys, we are gonna vlog today, so I'm gonna take you guys along my day. This morning I'm gonna run to a recycling center. If you are in the UK, you can't just dispose of your item like outside or in the middle of this. You have to take things to a recycling center. So I've been renovating recently, so there is a lot of rubbish that I need to look at that. There's a lot of rubbish that I need to take. This is like literally gone down from 100 to about 30% left. Just got, don't know if you guys can see, but there's like brand new that's a bit faulty, extractor hob, old cookers, can't really use it anymore. It's all kind of, yeah, not really good. So you can hire a skip. That does cost you to hire a skip, or if you are working with a company, what they can usually do as well is they can have a skip for you. But regarding the skip, there are rules and regulations in place, and safety comes first. So unfortunately, I wasn't able to get a skip, but nonetheless, I saved some money because I filled up my car, and then I can just keep going back and forth to the center and doing it myself. So come along with me. Before we go any further, guys, if you are new to the channel, make sure that you do one thing for me, and that is subscribe to my channel. I'm going to take my hat off. uh, Make sure to subscribe to the channel so we can keep growing. So before time, it's such a nice day, guys. The UK weather is giving at the moment, so guys, I'm going to take you to the recycling center, and at the moment I'm mainly taking wood bits, yeah, so mainly taking wood, and then I'm going to try and take all the little bits and clear up, because make sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so. Okay, let me put my hat back on. So if you chuck it in here. See how busy it is today, Coco. Oh, there's spaces now. Guys, I am so tired. I'm still at the recycling center. I think I've done about 4 or 5 rounds now, but this is the final round, and then I'm gonna grab something to eat. Guys, I hope you are enjoying the vlog. Make sure that when you are kind of getting rid of your household item, just come into one of these centers. It helps the environment, and it's a good workout. Right, a car in front of me is leaving. Just show you. So the car in front of me is leaving, so I'm just literally gonna drive ahead. No, they're really not. They're going.
Yeah, they're going to take that spot.
But that grey one's leaving. So everyone's been working so hard, and of course, what did they request for? Fast food. So just going through a drive-through at the moment. Somebody wanted McDonald's, then somebody wanted KFC. So yeah, so we got all options for everybody to enjoy. And of course, you guys already know I do not eat meat, so there was nothing here for me to enjoy apart from a couple of chips. So you know what, I had to make me a wholesome meal. So what did I do? Bam, voila, I made coconut salmon broccoli, because I have to cook my meals. So guys, that's pretty much what I made. I will drop the full video of how I prepared this recipe, the coconut, using broccoli and some green beans. But yes, I ended up going to the gym, so yeah. Ouch. Something clicked. And I don't know what. And I'm still injured. Oh, he's gone too far. There you go. You've only got 2 legs. Yeah.
They have to flat palm.
Did that BG?
You just have to get
Yeah, like
flat palm.
you don't want to do it. You do it.
Just flat palm.
Oh! Let me know if you love making crepe pancake. But yeah, guys, this was requested, so I had to make them my delicious pancakes. If you want to see the full video how I made these, I will share with you guys. But yeah, so make sure that you subscribe to the channel if you want to see more content from me and help me grow on this platform. And I'll see you guys next time. Enjoy the rest of the video.